And hey, shout out to everybody who bought my Trap Dynasty kit from the Expansion Exchange. Really appreciate that. I got a statement back from Akai, and it was great. Thank you, everybody. I'm working hard on the second volume. It's gonna be lit just like the first one, so I really appreciate that. First, music licensing. That's one of the ways that I make money from my music. I know a lot of producers are skeptical about this. A lot of them don't want to pay money for a service, and they just think that it's too hard to get into, or they got to know somebody or network, and it's not for them. So I'm telling you that I was one of those people, and now I'm not. I mean, I did pay for a service to help me out, to get my foot in the door. But a lot of libraries that I'm signed up with and got placements through them, I just called and emailed, looked them up, researched, and I got some stuff placed with them. Now, you want to do some research because all libraries may not accept the music that you do. So you want to look at the libraries, look at the stuff they have success placing, and then you want to go from there. But it was surreal for me. I started maybe 2014 getting into this part of the game, and I got my first check from a placement in maybe 2015 or 16 for like 120 euros or something, because it was in a library place overseas. So it was surreal. It was crazy. I'm like, this is really happening. I'm taking off now. I'm getting into the sync licensing game. So it's cool, and I'm trying to help everybody else do the same. So another way that I make money with my music is samples, loop kits, and libraries. First up, we're going to say you got to be good at what you do first, because anybody can do this. You want to practice and get good at your beat making, your producing. If you need some help, I got some tutorial videos to show methods that I use and stuff that work for me. Now, you can do you and work out stuff that work for you and go from there. So first, you want to be good at what you do. You want to get some sample kits, some loop kits, some sounds, do a little bit of sound design, and make that unique, something that nobody else has in their productions, nobody else has in their production group. So once you do that, you got to do some marketing, because the world needs to know about your product, otherwise they won't be able to go and get it. So that's when you get into your Twitters and your Instagrams and your YouTube and Facebook and stuff like that to raise the awareness of your product. Yeah, that's two ways that I make money with my music. You can do the same. I got some more videos coming out, a step-by-step process of what I do, how I reach out to the music libraries, how I reach out to the sound kit websites. Thanks for watching. Peace out.